Oh yeah, so we literally just got rid of the Lambo. We just traded in the Lambo for the 340, bro. Oh shit. So we got the 340 now, bro. How you feeling?
Sad to see the Lambo.
Sad to see the Lambo go, man. We traded it in for the big 340, bro. Bro, 900 horsepower 340, bro. I'm nervous. I never drove a BMW before. What the f? This shit feels like, it feels different. 340, y'all. I don't know why. I'm obsessed with this car though. Like, I like this car, like, a lot. Where my other keys go? I'm gonna put it on my key. Yeah, he didn't even give me the. Alright. That's what I look when I drive. What the hell? Y'all see that shit? Hold on, let me catch up to him. I'll put this bitch in sport. Now, he told me not to floor it because of a small little issue. So I can get on it, but I can't floor it, which is fine. I mean, I don't do nothing illegal no way. So and flooring it is technically illegal. So yeah, I'm not fucking with that. But we traded cars. Damn, that's what my Lambo look like. Oh. What the fuck? This motherfucker popping. With this car for the whole day, bro. We just swapped the fucking Lamb for the BM. We just swapped. You followed it?
Yeah,
what you gonna do with that thing for the whole day?
You said what?
What you gonna do with it for the whole day?
Shit.
Just drive it around.
I don't want to get on it, but he told me not to get on it.
This is cool. Like, do y'all see me in the 340, bro? Or should I just go M3? If I go M3, I'm going G80, bro. Like, that car's a cheat code, but I will not get the M5. The sunroof back. I ain't had a sunroof since January. Damn. Y'all, we switched cars, so if he does anything illegal, which I know he's not, but if my car just so happened to be in a high-speed chase or something, you know, it wasn't big. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got my location. Y'all see my ankle and shit, but. It's dope though. not getting this shit. You know, I'm probably like, "Damn, you really gonna trade a Lambo for a 340?"
What kind of speakers are those?
What kind of speakers you got? You got the Harman & Kardon. Okay. Harman & Kardon, motherfucker.
Little Tweety birds up the top.
With the Tweety Sweeties. Sweeties. Should I get a like a little project car like this, y'all? If this video does good, and if all the videos I shoot do good, I'm gonna get one. I much rather prefer a 340 because I want the B58. You know, to go G80 would mean I would sacrifice not getting the M5. And why would I want to do that? Like I want an M5 or M6 or some shit like that. Like, you know, I want some cool shit. So it's kind of like, to go G80, you're looking at a $60,000-$70,000 car, which is possible. I just would have to get rid of the Lamb. Like I'm not going OD crazy with the cars, and I'm still at my mama's house on house arrest. You know what I'm saying? But I already got the whole situation with that. Like H-Town calling my name, twin. I already know I got H-Town going crazy. I'm finna have H-Town going crazy, man. He got AC in it, bit. Ooh. What's this thing? I might start using this thing. That's some cool shit. And the objective is to not get pulled over in this NASCAR. Chop is smooth. I like the lamb skin now. Don't get me wrong. Big chop. What should we do with this car for the whole day, y'all? What should we do? Drag strip. Oh my God. You hear that shit? It's a Lamborghini, man. You see that shit? What the fuck? That shit crazy. I wish that was my car. God damn. Look at that Lamborghini, bro. Sometimes I wish that was my car. No bullshit. Give me that USP SF90 SVJ ski. Some different shit. All in due time. Oh, I still got this thing in. verbals, but it's also high pitched too, so it kind of levels out. This car is like, I'm not gonna call it quiet by any means necessary, but the pops are more poppy. Does that sound right? That don't even sound right. The pops is more poppy. Like, what the fuck? Fuck you, nigga. That old nigga just flicked him off for what? Like, because he's successful? You seen that old nigga flick him off? Why would he flick you off?
Bro, I don't know, but he hated, bro.
What the fuck? He hated like shit.
I hope that
I flicked his out too. I'm like, man, fuck you, nigga.
Y'all taking this way?
I don't know where I'm going, but
Take care of my baby, man.
for sure I got you. And it's official. We have the Lambo all to ourselves. I mean, I'm tripping. We got the BMW all to ourselves. And the first thing I want to do is get out of Henrico. I don't like Henrico. Let's get back to Richmond, where I know I'm good at. And Richmond's like safe territory type shit, but yeah, we almost back to Richmond. We one highway away, so yeah, I catch y'all boys in a little bit, no cap. I ain't gonna cap, this BMW is crazy. Like I'm liking it. Like I've been know I liked it, but no, it's just like a different level now. I was thinking get like I want a car that niggas can relate to. So like anybody can get a 340. So it's like a 340. I was thinking E55, but that's like an old man car. But it's supercharged though. I guess that's just personal preference at the end of the day, to be honest. Legend. This shit's sweet though. I'm finna park it near the water and admire it real quick. Yeah, who knows what today has in store, man. I'm not dressed to impress, but fuck it. Some Zan. We got the 340 for today. 24 hours to be exact. Every more like 12 hours. Bro, this car is OC, bro. This shit not hard. Like, should I not just get this for like a little daily though? Let me know, bro. Daily, question mark. Daily on the M3, on the 340i. This bitch is tough, I ain't gonna lie.